In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to Google Sites. If you want to make your Google site more interactive and fun, embedding a game is a simple way to do it. This works especially well for classroom pages, student projects, club websites, or any site where you want visitors to be able to play directly from the page without leaving your site. To get started, open Google Sites and go to the site where you want the game to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes to the page. Once you're inside the site editor, navigate to the specific page or section where you want to place the game. It helps to decide on the location ahead of time because the game will be inserted wherever your cursor or layout is currently focused. Next, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where Google Sites gives you different content options you can add to your page. From that panel, click on Embed. This option allows you to bring external web content directly into your site, which is exactly what you need for adding a game. If the game you want to use supports embedding, this is usually the fastest and easiest method. After that, paste the game's URL into the embed field. Be sure to use the correct link for the game page you want to display. In general, it's a good idea to double check the link before inserting it, just to make sure it loads properly and points to the right content. If the source website doesn't allow embedding, Google Sites may not be able to display it, so keep that in mind if something doesn't work as expected. Once the URL is pasted in, click Insert. Google Sites will then place the embedded game onto your page. At this point, you can usually resize or reposition the embedded content so it fits nicely with the rest of your layout. Try to give it enough space so the game is easy to see and use, especially if your visitors may be viewing the site on different screen sizes. And that's it. You've successfully added a game to your Google site. Before you finish, it's a smart idea to preview the page and test the game to make sure it loads correctly and looks the way you want. If everything appears properly, you're ready to publish or update your site so others can access it. That's the full process for embedding games into Google Sites in just a few clicks.